Question 1. Tree is to leaf as flower is to. Is it A. Petal, B. Stem, C. Root, or D. Branch? The correct answer is A. Petal. Question 2. Car is to drive as boat is to. Is it A. Sail, B. Float, C. Row, or D. Steer? The correct answer is A. Sail. Question 3. Bird is to nest as bee is to. Is it A. Hive, B. Colony, C. Swarm, D. Garden? The correct answer is A. Hive. Question 4. Light is to bright as dark is to. Is it A. Dull, B. Shiny, C. Black, D. Clear? The correct answer is A. Dull. Question 5. Pen is to ink as pencil is to. Is it A. Lead, B. Graphite, C. Carbon, D. Paper? The correct answer is B. Graphite. Question 6. Teeth are to mouth as foot is to. Is it A. Toe, B. Shoe, C. Sock, or D. Ankle? The correct answer is A. Toe. Question 7. Teacher is to school as doctor is to. Is it A. Hospital, B. Clinic, C. Office, or D. Pharmacy? The correct answer is A. Hospital. Question 8. Sugar is to sweet as lemon is to. Is it A. Sour, B. Bitter, C. Salty, or D. Spicy? The correct answer is A. Sour. Question 9. Spider is to web as ant is to. Is it A. Hill, B. Nest, C. Colony, or D. Burrow? The correct answer is B. Nest. Question 10. Knife is to cut as hammer is to. Is it A. Pound, B. Nail, C. Build, or D. Break? The correct answer is A. Pound.